Good morning, viewers. Welcome to ST Money's Morning News, your weekday business news channel. It's Thursday morning, August 29, 2024, and I'm your host, Sunil Thakker of Sunny Talks Money. Let's roll. US stocks fell on Wednesday ahead of a quarterly report from Nvidia, Wall Street's centerpiece event of the week. Shares of the dominant seller of AI processors dipped 2.1%, trimming their gains so far this year to 154%. The S&P 500 declined 0.60% to end the session at 5,592 points. The Nasdaq declined 1.12% to 17,556 points, while the Dow Jones Industrial Average declined 0.39% to 41,091 points. Other chip stocks also dipped, with Broadcom and Advanced Micro Devices each losing more than 2%. Google owner Alphabet, Microsoft, and Amazon each lost about 1%. Tech got hit in late trading as Nvidia's corporation sales forecast disappointed some, hoping for more than the chip maker at the front of the artificial intelligence revolution that has powered stocks. A 286 billion exchange traded fund tracking the Nasdaq 100 QQQ lost 1% after the close of regular trading. Nvidia sank 7% after saying third quarter revenue will be about $32.5 billion. While analysts had predicted $31.9 billion on an average, estimates ranged as high as $37.9 billion. The company also signaled that it was working through production snags with its highly anticipated new Blackwell chip. Nvidia has been the poster child for the AI boom, and it has really led the charge. So it would be hard for the market to move on from Nvidia. Future gains in global tech stocks should be more gradual after the quick rebound over the past 3 weeks, with potential headwinds from US macroeconomic data and further news on semiconductor export controls likely contributing to rising volatility. Salesforce Incorporated gave an earnings forecast for the fiscal year that topped analysts' estimates, trying to satisfy investors who have concerns over slowing sales growth at the software giant. CrowdStrike Holdings Incorporated, a cybersecurity company, reported second quarter sales that topped analysts' estimate, assuaging concerns that a global IT outage it caused last month would have an immediate impact on the results. OpenAI is getting closer to raising funding at a valuation of more than $100 billion in a round led by Thrive Capital. Boeing Company and its largest union remain at odds on major issues in contract talks as a possible strike looms that could cripple production of its cash cow 737 MAX jetliner next month. Nippon Steel Corporation plans to invest an additional $1.3 billion at plants operated by United States Steel Corporation as the Japanese company steps up efforts to secure union support for a takeover bid that has been opposed by both President Joe Biden and Donald Trump. Super Microcomputer tumbled 19% after the AI server maker said that it would delay the filing of its annual report for the fiscal year ended June 30, a day after Hindenburg Research disclosed a short position in the company. The market value of billionaire Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway surpassed $1 trillion for the first time. Its Class B stock rose about 0.9%. Of the 11 S&P 500 sector indices, 8 declined, led lower by information technology down 1.3%, followed by a 1.05% loss in consumer discretionary. Investors widely expect the US Federal Reserve will lower interest rates at its September meeting after Fed Chair Jerome Powell's support for imminent policy adjustment last week sparked broad-based market gains. The Personal Consumption Expenditure PCE report for July, due on Friday, may provide further insight into the central bank's likely rate cut trajectory. Treasury 10-year yields rose 2 basis points, 3.84%. Gold is at $2,513. See you tomorrow morning. In the meantime, let us know in the comment section what are your thoughts for the market. Happy investing, stay inspired, and remember, it is all about money.